Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Rytan number RY2014. This is a pin for their RY2000 Punch Machine, is what it is. I suspect that this pin is used with the springs to keep the handle. When you depress the handle, the springs will make it return. And I expect that spring goes, this pin goes through there. What you get when you order these parts, they pretty much always include a catalog, which is really nice. Shows you what's current and new from Rytan. It's a really great little catalog that they include. I don't know that they need to include it with all of the parts. They must print a lot of them because this client has 5 line items of these small little items, and in every unit there is a booklet that's there for us. Anyway, I like to review them because I like to know what's new in the world of Rytan, and this allows me to do that. Okay, a lot of documentation here. I'm going to keep this one for myself. The client doesn't need 5. You can't really see them there, but they are indeed there. Okay, now, what is this pin all about? This will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the pin. We're going to get to the document where it's shown what it is, or I should say the parts drawing that's there. The overall length of this pin, here comes the dimensions. Its ends are not the same. Overall length of this pin is 2.647. 2.647, and it has a diameter of 0.187, 3/16 diameter. It's got a small little feature to the tip of the pin here, and it's just flat on the other side. Okay, so now we have some dimensional properties. Let's switch to the screen view so we can take a look at the exploded drawing where this comes off of. Now there is a document down below called Exploded View or Parts Drawing. It's called Exploded View, and here indeed it is. This is the 2014 pin, and I think it's number 14 here. Yeah, it is. Number 14 is the RY2014 pin, and there it is shown right there. I don't know that I have the understanding of that pin correct. I've never owned one of their punch machines. And I think you might know this by a different name, by a different manufacturer called Combinator. Looks very similar to that. But there is your pin referred to. Okay. Part 12, I think, is the one that I was describing. The spring pin, yeah. I thought part 14 was the spring pin. It's not. It's part 12, as you can see here. Okay. So our rod is part number 14, and that is the RY2014 pin. Really handy to have that exploded parts drawing there that you can very likely get the balance of all of the important items that you need to continue working with your tool. Okay. Now there's also a document to the operation manual for the RY2000. I don't know that I'd call that a combinator, but nonetheless, this is their punch machine. I do believe that Rytan manufactures machines for lock manufacturers. I'm quite confident that they do. That's the entire manual for the RY2000. I've owned an RY200 machine for years. It's the second that I've owned over 30 years. They're incredibly durable and robust pieces of equipment. Okay, let's finish up this video on camera. Now, I'm quite partial when it comes to Rytan, and it's not only because of how incredibly durable their machines are, and again, I've owned more than one. It's also the exceptional technical support and customer service that they provide as well. I have called there for technical support when needing to determine how to convert one of their machines to a different, to cutting a different type of key, meaning swapping out the punch and die assembly. And it could have been, I don't recall, but it very likely could have been an RY2000 machine. The gal that I spoke to there was able to, from memory, pull out all of the different part numbers needed to make the conversion from punching one type of key to a different type of key. And she was able to do it from memory and was able to tell me all 7 part numbers needed. She was able to then walk me through how to do it as well. So the command over, the expert command over the subject matter has always stuck in my head when it comes to Rytan, a fantastic build quality and at least as good technical support. If you have any questions on the RY2014 Pin or any other Rytan product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.